Okay, here we are, Largo Central Park. Look at all those birds. Just in general.
You ask me.
Do you hear the birds is what I asked.
I do.
Beautiful day, almost 80 degrees today. Look how overgrown that is though. I think they need to do some trimming.
This is the flower garden.
Oh, well look all in there though. Huh. So today it's, what, almost 80. Tomorrow, this weekend, it's going to be almost 80. But then, come, let's take a picture of that. Monday night, it's going to be 39 degrees in Florida. Tuesday morning. So, gonna get out and enjoy this beautiful day while we can.
What kind of nature are we going to see today?
I don't know.
Well,
But we're 62 and we got nothing else to do. I wish I couldn't hear all that fire engines and stuff. Go this way so we don't film the tree down.
good afternoon, folks.
Hello. All the hurricane damage still in here. See if we can find an alligator today.
Out on the boardwalk.
On the boardwalk.
Down by the shore.
Down by the sea.
Well, here's the shore.
Yeah, that's true. We're not at the sea. Ah! Tripping over myself there. Put that camera down. Little cloud above us.
Good afternoon,
Hi.
folks. How are you?
Good, how are you today? Is that a new sign right there?
Osprey?
No, no fishing.
Yeah.
Fishing is prohibited. Ew, I can't
If
imagine.
you look at here, here's a gator. Somebody was out here fishing and they
Oh my gosh.
they put a hook right next to the eye of that
Wow.
alligator.
We are aware of the fishing hook in one of our alligator's eyes. How sad. Come on, people. This is not fishing water.
All it is,
Wow.
if they can, there's plenty of fish in here.
Yeah, but look at this water. Let's see if we can find him. On the boardwalk.
Wait, honey.
What? There's a bird out there.
Look here. Look at the nice
Oh, the fish. Yeah.
tilapia.
Yeah, it's probably what people were fishing.
And look over here, you've got
There's
mallard
some
ducks.
ducks. There's the ducks. What is that? Woodpecker? Oh, there's a woodpecker. You see him?
I hear them.
He's right there, straight ahead of me. Let's see if we can get him.
Oh yeah, I see them.
Noisy in here today.
Look out there, you'll see a anhinga.
Yep. Oh.
A raven.
Maybe they were fishing for the bass. Largemouth bass. Uh-oh, what's this? A raven, you said?
Raven.
Oh, he goes in the tree there. He's squawking.
You look, you can see all the fish congregating. There's a big bass over there.
Yep.
Bass.
Pretty fluffy clouds today. It's beautiful.
Look at the tilapia.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. You see the big catfish right there?
Oh, laying at the bottom down there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you've got tilapia right here.
He's right there. Yep.
There's another catfish over there.
Mm-hmm. Looking for the alligator, though.
We'll find it. Look here. Here comes the soft-shell turtle.
I have no food for you. Sorry, buddy. No
Hello.
bread.
Hello, buddy.
No bread for you. Sorry.
Fairly small. Look at all these fish.
Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Something loud.
Yeah.
Huh.
There's a better picture of our anhinga.
Yep. It's bright. Pretty bright. Dark in here. Don't laugh at me. Ew.
There's a blue jay.
Shell turtles everywhere in here. Creaky. Oh, there's one on the...
Look, honey.
Yep.
Right here.
Oh, it's a Florida
A
chicken.
white ibis.
That's a Florida chicken.
Hello, buddy.
Whoop.
Oh, another one coming
Scared
in.
me to death. Still no alligator, huh? There he goes. So this is Largo Central Park. Tucked away little place. I don't know what all that noise is. Oop. Somebody splashed down there. I don't see anything. Huh. Gosh, something's under here. I heard a big bubble. It's over there. What was it? Oh, I can see it going out here. Must be turtles in there.
Oh, yes.
Making big splashing noises.
Sure. Here you go, right here. There's a spotted.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, the sun is bright. Beautiful out here today. 4? Did he say 4?
Careful.
Hello.
Yeah, I know. Oh, where does come? Where does that come from?
Another one.
Did you see this one, honey?
What's that? Oh. Another turtle. Yeah.
Normally there's muscovies in here hiding. There's a big bass.
Pickerel weed.
Huh?
Pickerel weed. It's got the flowers on it.
Did you see the big bass here?
Yes, I did.
Right there?
Mm-hmm.
That was huge.
Yep. Wow. Yeah. What was that?
Don't know, I didn't see
I heard that spot. Look at the wave it's making.
it. Yeah. It was big.
That's got to be an alligator. Nothing else can make a wave that big.
I don't know, honey. You look at that catfish right there.
Look at the ripples in that. Huh.
You look right there, you'll see him.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi. You okay? Well, they cleaned this all out.
Yeah, they did.
It's very clean over. Oh, here's a duck. Oh, goodness. What is making all this noise? It's these ducks?
Those are galliners.
Where they are. Coots, whatever. They're very noisy. Yep, one's going that way, one's going that way. Yeah, that's all cleaned out. Usually this thing is full of algae and gunk and trash and... That's an old sign. Oh, I can't get over what a beautiful day it is here. Okay, this is, oh, that's what we just saw. A gallinule. Black aquatic birds, boldly marked with a brilliant red shield over their bill. And a white racing stripe down their side, which I don't see.
The generic name for them are the moorhen or the common coot.
Hmm. Well, Mr. Alligator, where are you? I know they're in here. We've seen them many times, but you would think with a beautiful day they'd be out sunning themselves. Today is January 26th. Or 20, what's today? 22nd, 2026. Couple more ducks under here.
Some more mallards.
Yeah.
And that's another gallinule.
Mm-hmm. All kinds of birds in here today. It's like a bird sanctuary in here today.
Didn't see any limpins.
They're usually up here. Well, the alligator isn't in their usual spot. Sometimes in here.
Yeah, they cleared out.
Yeah. I guess they're still working in here.
They're power washing the decks.
Fresh cut on that tree. Yeah, they've cleaned this out nicely. Oop. Leaf almost got me.
Maybe we'll see an armadillo
Mm-mm.
or a raccoon.
There's a golf course in the distance where we heard 4.
Occasionally we'll see an alligator in this little
Hmm. Going off the path here. Ooh. Tripped on a stump. Oh, that scared me.
I'm sure that
We
was
scared
just a
something.
frog.
I don't know what it was. Big splashes today. I don't know what's going on. Oh, butterfly. Oh, look at the shells. See them all open?
Mm-hmm. The limpkins eat apple snails.
That's probably what those are then. Apple snails from the limpkins. Yeah, they definitely cleared things out in here.
Watch out for the cypress knees.
Yeah, one already about got me.
They stick out.
I wasn't watching where I was going.
There's a turtle. Do you see that limpkin in the tree branch over there?
Oh, over there. Oh, with his wings open? Yeah.
They're called the snake bird.
These little guys. Huh. Pretty. Bunches of them. Hello.
The heebie-jeebie.
There they are. You hanging out there? Hanging on that tree then.
They have completely dried off before they fly.
It's funny how he is now. His wings aren't up. He's just hanging on there. It's kind of funny looking. I guess he's just sitting there. If we'd have kept going on the boardwalk, we would have come out here.
Okay, I see some snakes.
No snakes. I don't like spiders and snakes.
But that ain't what it takes to love me.
You got a duck over there. Butt up in the air. Oh, that's funny. The golfers all golfing. Can't ask for a better day out here. Absolutely beautiful. like they just mowed a little path out here. I think they're working on it. Sometimes the alligators out here too. Let's see. Oh boy, there's the Coast Guard. If we can see him or not. Oh yeah. Bunch of limpkins on the shore over there. Yeah, he was spreading his wings.
It just went in. They call that the fish bird.
Yeah.
It'll be popping its head up here soon. It's actually over here towards us.
Mm-hmm.
But they're pretty successful fishermen.
No alligators though. Oh, look right over here. Right on the other side.
That's a limpkin.
Yeah.
And
He was
its
hiding on
mate
us.
is right over here in front of us.
Oh yeah, right here. They're enjoying this beautiful day too.
Right here. That anhinga is going to come up. The only difference between an anhinga and a double-crested cormorant is their bill.
Mm.
An anhinga has a straight bill. There he is right there.
Oh yeah, there he is. Kind of hard to see him. Oh, there he went back down in the water.
And the double-crested cormorant has a curved bill.
Hmm. Those little golfers. Okay. Feels so nice to have the sun on your skin. It's been so cool the last week. It's been chilly. Long sleeves. Not very nice weather. I feel bad for the tourists who came last week because they didn't get any nice weather. I don't know what he's doing. Got a truck here doing some kind of work in here. Oh, what do we got here? The Eastern Cottontail Rabbit. It's Peter Cottontail. It's in open spaces, fields. They feed on crops, bark, twigs, shrubs, vegetables, and millweed. Oops, sorry about that. I was kind of not being straight. Huh. Ooh. That gas smells horrifying. Whew. That's why I'm coughing. Sorry, he's running a gas generator or something, and whew. Not sure what they're doing over here. Definitely take. Oh yeah. So much for nature sounds.
Well,
I know, they gotta work on it to keep it nice.
things nice here.
I know. They definitely have trimmed these trees back because you can see all the fresh
That had
cuts.
fallen on somebody.
Yeah. You can see see all the... This is all from hurricane damage last year. Hurricane Milton just really wrecked this place.
Here's a heron.
I can't hear you.
A blue heron. Here he comes again.
Nope, I scared him.
Run me off.
Scared him away. Here's the little guy. Everybody's out enjoying the hot sun today. I should say warm.
Just wake up, honey.
I got him.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. You can go up the third level with this little trail there and look out over the water. I almost thought that was an alligator, but it's just a piece of...
Oh, they're out.
I thought it was... That right there was, it was just leaves. Oh, we didn't see the one with the fish hook in him. They're not usually in this area.
I guess you can.
I guess you can't hear, just not on the bridge.
Right.
Okay. Oh, that must be. Maybe he's got one on. Those things on that tree. These pretty little flowers. There's another butterfly. Catch anything yet?
Nah.
Oh.
They're out there.
Oh, I know that. There's some big ones out here.
Mm-hmm.
This guy caught us, I think, a 7-pound, 9-ounce bass right.
Wow.
Actually, sorry, right at the curve.
Wow.
Yep.
Fished there so many times. Caught it. I'm using the same bait, exact same setup he used.
Well, good
Didn't
luck
catch
to
a
you.
thing.
Aw. Well, keep trying. You'll get one.
I fished that spot. I've been fishing this spot right there for like
Well,
the day that video came out, which was 3 years ago.
Oh my goodness.
that fish has got its name, your name on it. So,
He's still in here too, because I've hooked up to him a couple times, but I haven't caught him.
well.
I guess he's on to
keep
you,
it
that
up.
you fisherman. He knows.
Can't set in the hook, but it feels like I catch a log,
Huh.
but it's not.
It's cute. About a 12-year, 13-year-old boy. You too. Take care. Good luck. Enjoy the sounds of nature. Nope. Bloop. I don't know what that was. Butterflies everywhere. You'd think it was spring around here. Oh yeah! He bounced it up, put it in his mouth. I don't know if I got it or not. Yeah. Yep. He just popped his head up. What is that? Oh, a turtle. I guess he's feeding on that little piece of grass or something. There's another little turtle. Oh! What was that? These birds are startling today. Must be lunchtime. Let's see what that was. It's a turtle. Boy, he made a mess. Look at all that water stirred up. Dirt.
Got another big turtle down there. He just went down.
Oh yeah, I see him now.
There's the other one.
Yep. Really looks nice in here. I know I said it like 3 times, but they did a good job. Uh-oh, looks like a forklift did a little damage there to that door. Ooh, there's a wasp. Yuck. He's gonna go in there and make a house, make a nest. Okay, what do we got here? Oh, the good old cypress tree. Cypress trees and cypress knees.
Another beautiful day.
Hello.
Couple mallards.
Mm-hmm. Okay, looks like we are at the end.
See an alligator.
I know. Our alligator hunting failed us. We definitely saw a lot of birds. Is that a little baby turtle right there? What is that?
Honey, oh, you missed it.
What?
The gator alligator was right there.
Oh no, I missed the alligator.
He was probably 4 feet. He was right here.
Oh, there he is. There he is.
Yep, there he is.
We found one. Hello, Mr. Alligator.
Actually, he's probably 3 feet.
It's unusual to be over here, but he's a little guy, so.
Safest place for him.
Yeah, just a little guy. A little turtle behind him there. Little baby turtle.
Yeah, he's still at a stage where an egret or a stork could eat him.
The alligator?
Absolutely.
Wow. Think they'd be strong enough to fight off an alligator?
Oh, big time.
Look at these. It's like he's being circled by turtles. It's the turtle invasion.
He's probably only 2 years old.
Yeah, it's just a little one. I guess he's safe over here, though. Huh. It's funny. Okay, this is the end of the trail. I guess I'll sign off from here. Hope you enjoyed.